Hello and welcome back to Tools for Sparks, where today we're reviewing this combination of beautiful Unilite work lights, but this is something special. Now what the heck is this, I hear you asking? Well, I'm going to reveal all in this fascinating Tools for Sparks episode, but first I want you to do something in return. Hit a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't done so already, and let's go. So this is the Unilite WCBDL. What on earth does that stand for? Well, I have no idea, but I know that it does something special. It's a wireless charging unit. You can use this to wirelessly charge some of your Unilite products. So let me show you. So there's a little pull thing here. Pull that. This pops out. What on earth is that for, I hear you ask? Well, that is for a device that you keep in your pocket and use on a regular basis. Yes, that's right. A wireless charger for your mobile phone. Imagine yourself for a moment in the back of the van. Now, you might find a clever way to rig this up in the back of your van. Oh wait, it's got magnets on it. Look, 1, 2, 3. So you can magnetize this to one of the panels in the back of your van. You simply plug it into a USB power source. The lights start to flash and it should start to wirelessly charge your phone. Look at that. There we go. We are charging. Not only that, but you can also use it to wirelessly charge some of your Unilights. Like this. Let's try this one. This is very clever. This green light that is solid indicates that this is already fully charged. And if I turn it on, I will see from these indicators underneath that that is correct. It is fully charged already. So it's not actually going to charge up on this wireless pad at the moment. However, this light that is blinking indicates that this is charging, which it is. So you know straight away by looking at these lights whether the devices are fully charged or not. Now, if you don't want to charge your phone, just slide that out. That goes back in, and you can actually charge 2 devices from this at the same time. There we go, 2 Unilights charging. So that's a pretty cool thing. Now there's a couple of interesting other features to this, which are in here. Can you see that? Screw holes. There's one there and there's one there. So if you've got a workshop or something like that, you could actually just screw this to, you know, your workbench or to the back panel of your workshop, and then you can have this to charge up your various devices. Your mobile phone, I love that. The action on that is beautiful. Never going to get bored of doing that, are you? So that is pretty awesome. Now just to demonstrate the magnetism functionality of this, imagine this is one of the panels in your van. That is really strong, man. That is really strong magnetism. Be careful, kids. Can you see that? I've actually damaged my thumb there. I've injured myself live on Tools for Sparks. Yes, so while our cameraman calls the medics, I'm going to try and finish this video before I pass out. That magnet is so strong that I literally am struggling to separate that. That is amazing. Wow. Now, there's a reason that's important, which is that actually, if you are putting this on a side panel of your van and you've got your work lights hanging off of it, you don't want it falling off and battering around the back of your van. You want it to be solid and stay put. And with those super strong magnets that are on the back of this, well, you can be confident that that is going to stay where it's supposed to. So I really like that. We've talked about the wireless charger. Now let's talk about these particular lights. So this is the Unilite WCHT5, and as you might have guessed, it's a head torch. So you've got this nice strap on the back here. There we go. Now these straps are very comfortable. I can say from experience, having used them for a while. You've got a nice sort of wavy, cushiony silicone bit on the inside. Obviously the strap is fully adjustable as well. And then to turn it on, you simply press this button and it turns it on. Press it again and it dims down slightly. So you've got a few settings: bright, dim, brightest, brighter, and off. And that's pretty much it. And the cool thing about this is you can just unclip it from that, so that if you want to charge it up on there, you can do that without the strap kind of getting in the way. Then you can just pop it back like that, and then Bob's your uncle. And as always, USB-C thing at the back. And that's it really. It's a head torch, it's comfortable, it's very, very bright. As always, there's links in the description for all these products. What about this one? So this is the WCHX7, and this is just more of a general work light. Very, very bright, 700 lumens. You've got a button, power button. Looks like it's got 4 settings: bright, bright, brighter, brightest. There we go, 4 brightness settings. And as all Unilite products, it's got a magnet on the back here. Let me show you that. I'll try not to bleed to death from doing this. There we go. So you've got a nice strong magnet. I mean, look at that, how strong those magnets are. When it comes to magnetized work lights, I think Unilite have got it down now, really. They've got some serious magnet technology. So that is really nice. You can, you know, keep that knocking around your van. It's very small, handheld, compact. It looks nice, it's bright, and is easy to charge up, either wirelessly or using the USB-C slot on the back here. And they've got these lovely little rubber seals that you just pop out in order to charge them up. So they're fully waterproof, IP rated and all that. And they do what they say on the tin, really. They light up your life. So what is my overall impression of this setup? Well, I really, really like it. I mean, Unilite have just done some genius stuff inventing this. I think it's such a great idea. And obviously it's not only these lights that work with it. There will be other Unilite products that will work to charge up off this wireless charging pad as well. And you can charge your mobile phone. It's a great solution to be able to have one place to charge up your Unilights with. So if you want to get yourself some of these, where can you get them from? Well, I'll leave links in the description where you can get all of these products. But particularly exciting to note is that we have a special deal with Unilite to get you guys 25% off all Unilite products using our special discount code, which is in the description. So click the link in the description, head over to the Unilite website, use our code, and you can get yourself an absolute bargain on these beautiful work lights. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, don't forget to smash a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't done so already, and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching Tools for Sparks.